So Sanjay Hegde is a lawyer,
Right.
an advocate, senior advocate. So he was basically responding to a comment about gays in Animal and the morality aspect. So he said that gays and morality, basically these are they have no business as far as what a filmmaker wants to express himself. There's no legal standing, first of all, in that. And it's something which is very
Yeah.
relative
Yeah.
as far as gaze and morality is concerned. Do you find at times that maybe when a certain people they run out of arguments, they say certain things just to be relevant in a way?
Yeah, you see, because what is more fascinating and amusing for me now is I expected exactly how much they're going to talk about this film, and the result is exactly the way I thought, way I imagined. So in a way, I understood, you know, their mental status and their IQ. So yeah, and morality and gaze, like अगर वो सोचते रहेंगे तो कैसे आगे बढ़ेंगे कहानी बोलते हुए? No, you can't go ahead also in the story. What will you, if the morality comes into picture, then you can't make this film. Simple. But आर्ट का क्वालिटी होता है कि वो अपसेट करता है लोगों को एंड प्रोवोक करता है, तो फिर फिल्म करना बंद कर देना चाहिए अगर मॉरलिटी आता है तो कार्टून शोज करना चाहिए बच्चों के लिए. सो एंड इट इज क्लियरली सेड इट्स ए रेटेड फिल्म, इट्स ओवर एंड अबव 18 years. सो पीपल आर सेइंग लाइक बच्चे रोते हुए बाहर आ रहे हैं थिएटर से, girls are feeling insecure, high school girls. The high school girls are not supposed to go and watch this film, even the boys. So,
Right. In fact, Ramu sir said one thing that if that would have been the case, then after Hum Aapke Hain Kaun, there should have been more emphasis on joint families, which has not really been the case.
yeah, when we different like that, saying, you know, nobody became gangsters after, you know, seeing Shiva or Satya, they take it in a very funny way. I don't know why only the responsibility factor comes only watching the film. There's so many things which are in real happening in the society. For that, nobody reacts. Only for the film they react, which is very funny. I never understood this phenomenon. And what I figured out is like, अगर चलो कोई क्रिटिसाइज कर रहा है फिल्म को, उसको कुछ मिल रहा नहीं, बट ही वांट्स टू वॉइस आउट. फॉर एग्जांपल अगर ये टेरेस पे आके 50 लोगों को बुला के बोल रहा है चिल्ला के, अभी बॉम्बे में बाकी सब बिल्डिंग में से बैल्कनी में से लोग आके सुन रहे हैं, एक आदमी बोल रहा है माइक पे कि तुम लोग एनिमल मत देखो, ये पागल पिक्चर है. एटलीस्ट आई विल रूट फॉर हिम, आई विल गो एंड शेक हैंड. बट क्या यार, क्या बात है, तो क्या गट्स है, बिकॉज उसको कुछ मिलता नहीं उसमें. बट ये लोग यूट्यूब पे वीडियो बनाते हैं ना, उन लोगों को पैसा भी आता है उसमें से. सो यू आर मेकिंग मनी, फेम, नेम, क्रिटिसाइजिंग माई फिल्म, लेट्स देन go ahead. That's what happened with most of the critiques during Kabir Singh. They shot to fame by criticizing Kabir Singh. So now they are enjoying the. Yeah.
Do you also find it a bit interesting that a few of these people who tend to have certain opinions, they're also struggling actors or maybe directors or maybe they're related to filmmakers? Do you find that maybe it is a bit unethical for people if they are also pursuing certain the same field, to just literally try and harm the film?
Yeah, that's what I mean. Like, how should I put it? Like, you know, I don't want to say, but since you asked, Anupama Chopra was messaging me constantly that she wants an interview. Like, I have 6-7 messages continuously. We should meet. And she messaged me the 2 दिन release से पहले तक. And after the release, like, you see a different color. So I said, like, okay, I mean, what to do? I mean, because what I see is like there's a clear hatred towards the filmmaker than the film, which is what actually is surprising me. And when last time when I went and sat with her, I was, you know, interview चल रहा है, 1-2 comments पढ़ा नीचे में, लोग बोल रहे कि ये बहुत prepare होके आया director, he's talking about her husband's film. That's not the fact, because I am a fan of Vidhavina Chopra, because when you see Arjun Reddy, I use that song, you know, Tumse Milke. That's a song from Parinda. So, you know, and I didn't say about Sanju because her husband is a producer of the film. So, but अभी क्या सफाई देंगे इसके बारे में अभी? Yeah.
Right. But when you read a few of the reviews and you see certain videos, does it upset you?
See, frankly speaking, if it is genuinely, that's what I'm seeing. If it genuinely comes like you feel like you don't need this so much of violence, somebody says, you don't need to shoot 300 people. You could have done it in 100 people also. Then I might understand. Maybe हो सकता था 100 लोगों से भी. But when you attack the intention of the filmmaker only, then it becomes bizarre. Because what I feel is, आप लोग तो जो भी है, कोई रिव्यू करेगा फिल्म के बारे में, एकदम मतलब लेफ्ट राइट सेंटर, you criticize the film in the worst way, and after 3-4 days or maybe a week, you call the filmmaker and call him for the round table. I said, like, why you want me to go and sit at your show? You never believed in my film and my vision. See, for example, Rajiv Masan called me after he criticized my film, after I said that, whatever I said in Anupama Chopra's interview. He called me and said, like, Mr. Vanga, I would like you to join the round table. I said, like, dude, you never liked my film, you hated my film, and you hated my guts. You criticized it so badly, and if I come and sit in your show, what are you going to talk? I said, like, your relationship, like people who criticize my films at this level, for them, the relationship between me and you is from the screen to the seat. You go and watch my next film and do another video, and I'll react to another video, but I'm not going to come and sit in your show. So, ये चीज़ लोगों को नहीं पता है कि how these things, at what level they operate. So, but I figured out that he gave up reviewing and criticizing films now. So, yeah.